one of the largest things that people think about when they think of social media is the takeover of short form video. Everyone here knows about the rise of TikTok and Instagram Reels, and it's something that is inescapable in the social media world. And within that housed is also GIFs. And GIFs, while we might not think of typically as short form videos, there's something that are still within that umbrella and something that I'll go into more about how we use GIFs within Ceros and how we use it within our social strategy as well. But within this exact quote from Sprout Social, it's clear to see that short form video offers marketers the highest return of investment of any social media marketing strategy. And it's something that we internally use a lot within our own personal strategy. I also wanted to kick over a little bit into this particular Sprout Social infographic when it comes to ways that people are finding out about our products and products in general. And so, like I said, I'm more versed within the organic ways of how we promote our content, but Louis here is going to be touching upon paid, which is especially important, especially within this infographic showing that 49% are hearing about your products through targeted ads. Now, this isn't news for us, of course, it's something that is completely within our content journey, within our customer journey. But that being said, you shouldn't look at your organic content as something that is a nice to have, something that could be supplemental to what you're doing within the paid side, considering that 40% are finding out about your brands and products through organic posts.